Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We're back. We were out all last week for a seminar, so all you guys that are threatening to unsubscribe from us because we didn't post a video, that's the reason we were out of the office. We were at a seminar. So Joseph has had some back problems since we've been gone, and he went to the VA and had an MRI done, and we just looked at that. So I'm going to adjust him now. Let's have you flex forward and backwards. Yep, take a look at that. Not bad, your pelvis just a little bit left. See, left room there than you do here. Okay, so let's come over here. Joseph's always a good ring dinger of the day. Renee still laughs at my jokes. Don't turn the table off this time.
I'm trying not to. Hurry up, I got a lot to do. Okay, let me get over to a different view.
Nice deep breath in. Oh, yeah. There we go, good. Should have felt that all the way down. Good. And yes, he is still kicking. Not much, but... There we go. I got one more here. There it is. Okay. It should be right there. This way.
We're having...
We should be getting our wireless mic this week. So his legs are even, they stayed even. His pelvis did raise up just a little bit. I don't know if any of you remember this or not, but Joseph is a veteran of the Air Force. We appreciate him serving our country and protecting our freedoms. That's actually how we met Joseph. Came in as a patient first through the VA. There we go. Oh yeah.
9 years of service.
Yep. That's why he's got a bad back. Now, right, Joseph?
Yes, that is sports.
There we go. Actually, I'm going to do a side posture move on you today. Let's go ahead and have you turn towards me. There we go. This is a Gonstead side posture move. Oh, there we go. Good. Okay. Just table down just a little bit. There we go. There it is, right there. Good. Yep. Okay, let's go on your back. This restores the normal cervical lordosis. So slide down just a tad. There you go. Now we're adjusting his rib cage anteriorly, as well as his AC joint right there. The sternoclavicular joint right there, and on the right side as well. And then the costosternal joint. Those open up a patient's breathing and realign the rib cage, not only in the back where they attach to the vertebrae of the thoracic spine, but in the front where they attach to the sternum. Good, okay. Now I'll sit you face towards Renee. right shoulder, glenohumeral joint. There we go.
Myself popping up.
By the way, I've been seeing comments on our YouTube videos. I get an email every time somebody makes a comment. And a lot of them were from medical doctors or physical therapists saying that chiropractors are quacks. But you'll find that most of our patients, they've already been to the medical doctors and orthopedists and physical therapists, including the VA. Let's like shit forward and backwards. And all they're getting is pain pills, muscle relaxers, and some physical therapy exercises, which are good if you're lined up, but if you're misaligned, that actually can cause more problems. But I want to state unequivocally right now that chiropractors are not quacks. We have a ton of education. In fact, our educational requirements are even higher in radiology and human anatomy and physiology, neurophysiology, neuropathophysiology, and spinal biomechanics than medical doctors. Very good. Take a look at that one.
Sir.
And you can check that. This is your Houston chiropractor, and Joseph coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, and we're back.
See you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.